Yo, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ron, and today I'm gonna be doing some minor stuff in my car. The headliner, it's been bothering me. I already took the fabric off, and under the fabric, I guess the sponge is just bothering me, bro. When I drive the car, the particles from the sponge would fall down and make a mess on my clothes and whatnot. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and take the headliner off, and I might just rock the car without the headliner, to be honest, because I prefer it without the headliner anyways. It gives it a more clean look, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'll take you guys along. Now this is what I mean when I say like the headline, the fabric is off, and like this is the remaining fabric that's on there. So I'm assuming I gotta take like these clips off so I can get to what's under it, so I can like either unscrew it or pull whatever is there. I don't know what's gonna happen with this. I might have to take this down too. It's my first time doing this, so I'm not really the pro on what to do here. So I guess I'm gonna start pulling the pillars off, like these pillars here, and pull this down, and we'll see what happens. I might have to put the camera down because, as I said, I don't really have a camera mount for the GoPro yet. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll pick the camera back up. So apparently you have to pull these down. Like it has a little like groove in it that you gotta like hold it, like, pull down to get it out. It's in there too. Like I pulled out one already, and it's like, dang. It's really giving me a fight here. Dang, hold on, let me show you guys. All right, get a good grip. Just like that, that's out. So now I'm gonna pull like these things off, and I think they're held in by like a Phillips or something. Yeah, by a Phillips. I might put these back in though, so I have handles in the car and stuff. So I'm gonna get to that, pick the camera back up, and that's how it looks without it. It was actually two big ass Phillips bolt. I think I showed you in the previous clip. Two Phillips bolt, boom, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the rest and figure out what else needs to get out. But yeah, bro, the car's kind of clean. You probably can't see anything because the ISO is pretty low. Let me try to adjust that and see if it helps. All right, so for the middle piece here, like the little piece that comes over the light itself, you can just pull that off. And then there's a Phillips screwdriver that sits right here from in here. You just screw that, unscrew that, and then you just pull this out. So that's pretty much cake. And then I guess once I'm taking the headliner off, I'll just like angle this and then like just pull the headliner off. But I'm having an issue where this bolt doesn't want to pull, so I don't know what I'm gonna do to get this one out. I might have to, I don't want to break it, but I gotta get this one out. It needs to come out, so I gotta figure out what I gotta do to take this one out. Let me see, let me look around and see if I have anything else to pull it, because I don't want to keep stripping that bolt. Another quick fact, you might need a star. You might need one of these to pull the headrest or the window, the visor down, because I don't know why, but Honda just chose to use the star diamond freaking sockets. So I'm gonna do that, take that out. I already took one off, and I'm gonna knock this one out. Another quick fact to get this out, you see how it is. If you look at the, damn, it's kind of dark. If you look at this, you need something to press this from the inside. Press it, twist, and pull out. So it's in here, and you press something, you press it in, you twist it, and you pull out. All right, y'all boys, I went ahead and damn, y'all probably can't even see anything in this video. Y'all finna flame me this video. All right, y'all boys, I'm sorry in advance again, because I know you probably can't see anything, but from right here where the rear view mirror goes, it has a cover which is this. You got to get a flathead, pry it under, and pry it from like both sides, like from the right and left side, so it can unclip. After that, you'll have 3 Phillips screwdriver, 3 Phillips bolt that you got to use a Phillips screwdriver. Take those out and then start taking the pillars off. So that's where I'm at. I'm taking the pillars off. I'm gonna pull this side down. Hopefully I don't break the clips, because if I do, then I'm gonna just be hurt. I'm legit gonna be hurt. Taking that off, and then you might want to take your time, or I don't know, if you want to break them, you can break them. But I'm gonna take that off and go to the back of the car, take those pillars off, and then take this trashy ass headliner out. Yeah, so let me do that. Pick the camera back up. Boom, boom. Hold up. Boom. It looks a lot cleaner in here already. 100% cleaner. I'm gonna just put the panels back on. Put the panels back on. I'm gonna bolt this back in with the Phillips that I told you about. So it's gonna sit like so, and then have you guys see what's going on. Well, you already see what's going on. Y'all don't need to see shit. But yeah, that's it, dude. That's literally it. It looks way better. So let me put the panels back on, and I guess I'll try to show you in a brighter environment how it looks without the headliner. Well, as usual, y'all can't see anything, but this is the end result. It looks way better. I already crushed up the the headliner and threw it in the trash, but this is how everything looks. Don't mind this, because this gotta go soon, but for the most part, it looks way better than how it looked before, and I am satisfied. I might be cutting up an extra bumper that I have. I might be taking the grill out and repainting that bumper to put on a car, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it for this video or not. I might just do it for this video, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm feeling too lazy. I might go hop on Forza, Call of Duty or something. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Remember that bumper I was talking about? Well, here it is, and I already cut it up, and I'm gonna install it today. Dang, I actually scraped up the other bumper. Now I gotta repaint it. Oh well. But that's the bumper right there. I'm gonna take the lip off the old bumper, the fog light, replace it, put it back on there, and the grill's on top of the car. I still gotta redo this grill because I made a little, well, I didn't sand it properly, and it has the marks from like when I had it in the car and like stuff rubbing on it. So I'm gonna resand this down, hit it with paint, put it back on the car. So yeah, and Chris bought me a lip, Allen Spec. Go check him out on YouTube. He bought me a new lip for the car, thank you, for my birthday. So that's actually gonna go on there. And just a quick, you know, on the interior again, the roof liner, got it off. So yeah, that's it. And that's gonna finalize this video, boys. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Please do me a solid and hit the thumbs up button, comment, share, all that good jazz. And as for the homies, go check out Dre's racing channel, because he just recorded the best badass sickest MR2 from Toyota. Check out Dre's racing channel. It's gonna be in the drop box below, description box below. Check out EG Chris with the nasty pulls that he was doing on the highway. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.